In this beginner's tutorial, you'll learn how to automate Workflow 2 with n8n Cloud. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to n8n.io. Click Sign Up or Get Started in the top right corner, and register using your email address or Google account. Once you've signed up, log into your n8n Cloud dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your workflows. If you're new, it will be empty. You can import a workflow JSON file in two ways, but for beginners, we'll import from a file. First, click the Import button in the top right corner. Select Import from File. Then locate the workflow JSON file on your computer and click Import. Your workflow will now appear in your list. Double-click the webhook node. You'll see a unique ID here. Your full webhook URL will look like this. Copy the URL into your form's action URL, so submissions go to n8n. Click Save. In Google Sheets, create a new sheet with columns for first name, last name, email, budget, message, date, and rejected. Now double-click the Append or Update row in Sheet node. From your Sheets URL, copy the Document ID, which is the part after /d and before /edit. You can also rename the sheet. To connect Google Sheets, click Credentials, create New, and select Google Sheets Authentication API. Sign in to your Google account and allow access. Save your credentials and select them in the node. Click Save. Open the Filter node, set the condition like this. If your form field name is different, be sure to update it exactly, including any spaces. Click Save. Open the Switch node. Here, you'll configure paths for different budget ranges or other conditions. Each path leads to a different Send Email node. Click Save. Open each Send Email node. Enter your From email. You'll need to create SMTP credentials. Click Credentials Create New and choose SMTP. Enter your email provider's host, port, user, and password or app password for Gmail. Save your credentials and select them for each Send Email node. Customize the subject and body text for each email. Click Save. You don't need to make any beginner changes to the Merge node. It simply combines the paths after the emails are sent. Click Save. No changes are needed for the Respond to Webhook node. It sends a success message back to your form. Click Save. Here's how you can activate and test the workflow. In the top right, toggle Active to green. The workflow is now live and ready. Next, submit a test entry through your form. Check your Google Sheet to see if the new row appears with the correct data. Verify that the correct email is sent based on the budget. If anything fails, make sure your form field names match the ones in the workflow exactly. Great job! You've just built a powerful automation that sorts leads by budget, sends the right follow-up, and keeps your records up to date automatically.